Yesterday's downpour in its aftermath left a trail of destruction here in Mtendere East. As you can see, this is a flat locally known as Mudadada. It's actually comprised of 4 housing units, or in other words, 4 rooms. It's been abandoned. The occupants of the houses have since left after their properties got destroyed in the floods that hit Lusaka City yesterday. We are now going to talk to the affected residents.
My drainage system Mkomboni is well organized. Because mzapeza na mabini yapezeka Mkomboni.
The situation was very bad to the point that people were chasing their mattresses. the bins were coming in the house.
Vose vinaenda mabuku ya bana so tuzacho yamba 1 kugula vinana kidatu kai malata na vumbuka yose tu so tinifuna kufa niseo
manzi afuna tipa yona nche manyumba mose yanangena
manzi nze manyumba hivi vilala kutapa che manzi mnyumba matika mnyumba nze fulufuta chitagona ma 01
tizagona kama chitagona udala matika mali na bapati bena ndrama kubekwa ntinga aenda tingadisakira nyumba kina
zaje nokutia leo
sanda bacheze che scattered che manzi pum mnyumba tipo sa realize ishimanzi yapezekati yazula ndipo meza mkamanzi uti closing ko che kado keve kusafere mnyumba kazi kulimba na uti closing kado yapwanya
bintu vanga bonse bili mu manzi nyumba.
Our next stop was the densely populated and sprawling community of Kalikiliki. Household property lay in ruins, and here too some houses had fallen apart after being submerged by Thursday's floods. A number of houses have been abandoned, and some households have had their businesses hit after losing chickens they were rearing for sale. The lifeless chickens were seen carried in sacks for disposal. Kalikiliki residents are still in shock.
Vintu kuno vaona ngeka vambiri mafriji unga mablankets manje kulibe vo vimbana vose vinaenda na manzi.
Infule yaliko yali yakuipa ya abantu na kuma plot na kufomu lumendo. So infule yaliko mairo yali ni disaster mwandi yakweba ati amalata pamayanda na yafuma abantu balifye mumenshi tabakwete efya kulya na mablanket tabakwete nero twale pitamuna bakansela malo tapali efye bakwete abantu
within 10 minutes na isa mfa charira boom kuisa ingira mukati muno kushasanga ati fyonse au mwandini kukumona fye nefidingene fyonse insapato na shia ifya kulya finshi na afia ama blanket ma mattress awe sure.
This is what became of Lusaka City on Thursday. Storm water overtopped the roads whose drainages were too small to contain the surging rainy water. Kalikiliki residential area is usually flood prone. Government has to move in and move in real quick. Tito Kalama, S24, Kalikiliki residential area.